Sweet Sue cooking up here, and I hope you enjoy this chocolate covered cookie recipe. It is from the Middle East. We're going to add some butter and we're going to make it kind of a soft butter, and we're going to add some oil. We're going to add these together in the bowl, and we're going to add some sugar, and we're just going to stir this up with our hands without using a spoon so that it's mixed properly. And it's the oil, sugar, and the butter. Get it all mixed up, and I hope you enjoy this Middle Eastern dish. I always enjoyed having the sugar and the butter, um, mixing it with my hands, but I don't think I got it quite this runny. But then just add we're gonna add a small spoon of coffee, and we're gonna keep going here, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate. That would be like the cocoa. And then we're going to add some dry milk, and that's going to put the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. Stir it all up with our hands, and this is really nice to watch somebody with this skill swirl it all around and make sure it is all mixed up together. And then we're going to add some yeast and a little bit of the flour. You can use any kind of flour that you need to, and kind of in stages so that it's not put in all at once. And we're just going to keep that going on the different stages of adding the flour into um, the cookie wet ingredients. And we're going to mix this up until it gets into a firm type of dough. And here we go. We've got the firmer type of dough here. And we're just going to kind of let this set for a few minutes. Looks nice. Can't wait for these cookies. We're going to roll it in bowls. I'm sorry, going to roll it in balls for our cookies. And we're going to put this out with each ball rolled in a complete batches circle. Got a lot of pans here. And we put like a wax paper down underneath the cookies dough. And we're just going to kind of smash these down a little bit. And time to go in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. And we don't want to burn the cookies. We want them to be just brown enough so they look like they're done, and then we let them cool. We're going to dip them in the chocolate, and I believe we're using coconut in the chocolate. You can use nuts, you can use cookie crumbs, whatever you like to make with the chocolate to kind of make it go further. We're just going to dip our dough, actually our baked cookies, into the chocolate mixture. And we did put this in a double broiler to melt our chocolate. I believe it was dark chocolate bars with the added sugar for the chocolate. And we're just going to put these in a different pan on some wax paper. And we're going to let that chocolate dry. So these are looking really delicious. I'm glad you enjoyed the chocolate and cookie recipe. And we're going to serve these as soon as the chocolate dries. And here we go. It's beautiful. All right, thank you for watching. I do have another episode next if you'd like to watch the recipe again. And thank you for tuning Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that's cooked on the outdoors, open an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you could also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.